So this is how you can see your Spotify Wrapped in 2024 early. Let's go on ahead and open up our browser, and here we are. As you can see, I searched for Spotify Wrapped 2024. Let's go on ahead and tap on this link right here, which shows us the Spotify app. It's going to bring us here, and basically, as you can see, there's this reload button. You're gonna want to keep on tapping that reload because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't work today, you're gonna want to try it tomorrow, maybe try it an hour later, but I assure you it does work. Once again, the thing you're gonna want to search for is Spotify Wrapped 2024. And then tap on this. It's going to bring you to the Spotify app and it's going to show you this thing that's supposed to be your 2024 Wrapped. Well, obviously, 2024 is not over yet, so it may take some data or it may take a while to cover all of the data so that you can see your Spotify Wrapped and see what you've been listening to the most. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's basically just like the previous Spotify Wrapped. You're gonna get it at maybe the end of the year. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.